Hey, it's Andrew Spagel Bugamoto. It is a sunny day here out in the old Midwest-aroo, but as you can see there, it is kind of a new bike kind of day. Just got this in here, just picked it up from the shipping terminal there, and we are going to get it pulled off. We got a little moving pallet here, so we're going to get this thing pulled off, and you'll get to see what it is because this poor little guy here is she's burning some oil, or she's doing something. Still riding like a champ, but we will get to that. So we're gonna pull that off of there, set it there, and we are gonna tear into it in just a minute. So giddy up. Video box still cut. Oh, top to top, toss the stump. We pick it up. Ready, set, go. Oh. Oh. This is the 2024 KTM 150 XCW. Let's take it in. Da-da! Ooh. Well, let's wait there. Oh, so it's got a little LED headlight in there, but it's not the different panel. Interesting. Dun, 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 dun. So this is straight from Munn Racing down in Texas, which it looks like this is how it arrived to them, I would assume. So we got to get Mr. Handlebars on. Oh, please tell me that will be. Oh, I don't think this comes with the map switch, but that. Oh, yeah, no. But we'll see. We got Mr. Box here of goodies, so we're gonna kick that open. Ooh. I'm guessing that's a KTM strap right there. Better hang on to that one for safekeeping. Oh, shiny. I don't. Well, it's been run. Da-da. Well, you can smell the exhaust down in there. Apparently, it's competition use only. So there's that. Let's see here. We can loosen that guy. This will go pretty quick, I think. Let's see, Mr. Oil. What do we got in here? Motorex. I'd assume they've got like a level thing on there somewhere, right? Well, we'll find out.
Is your video done so I can pop out from here?
Yeah. Oh, that's our light switch down over there. Okay. And then, yeah. All right. So we're going to dig in, see what's in this box here, and then get that stuff on, see where we're at. So this is the box that comes out. Let's see what's in here.
Should I stay
This should,
in there?
yeah, for right now, that's fine. So this should have a KTM orange bag, I would assume. Or I don't know. Let's find out. Maybe they give you less of these bikes or something. So, handguard cover pieces. That's there. So we got, this is the slow throttle housing. So I actually have the fast one here. A little dongle for priming the fuel pump. And then, let's see. Oh, we're covering up the gas tank when you disconnect that. So that's everything in there. That's that.
But what's that black?
This one here. This is the world's greatest toolkit, which that's good because I lost my 8mm from the 350. There's that, and I think that pliers with that fancy tool, huh?
Put that up close.
All right, put that up close.
Shiny.
Ooh, shiny tool. That'll go well with the other ones we have hanging on the wall. So that's it. We're gonna get this disconnected and go from there. Yeah. Pull that out.
Or over her face.
Well, for a video, I'm not that good at that.
No.
That's usually why my videos are edited the way they are, with like no editing done. There is technically a way of doing that. How?
Like it follows them?
Yeah, I could basically track her and it would put something over it, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. So there we've got Mr. Handlebars. Okay, so we're gonna get these.
I like the purple on there.
I like this one, we'll go with this one. Oh. Alright, that's good. I'm gonna take this. This is gonna go here. Yeah. We'll zoom in. Helping hands here. Dun 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 dun. I'm just lining those up here. So they've actually got decent wiring. Look at this.
Can I say something?
Compared to the 350. Yeah, although it still looks like a jumble up there. I'm kind of scared to take that off and look. I kind of don't want to. So you can kind of see we've got a decent one there.
I'm waiting.
Oil tank. Here, come here. So this one. You can stand on that, the pellet. You are disappointed. Here. Yeah, just, you're fine. Oh, poor KTM. So I'm pretty sure this is where the map switch gets plugged into that one there. But, oh, sweet word. They are still at it with the, I mean, it's better. But it is, well, there we go. It's better, I'll give them that, but it is not, this is not Japanese quality with the wiring. Oof. Slip that, mamma jamma. 10 millimeter, that's right.
Why do you need a 10 millimeter?
Because some hardware is bigger than other hardware. Some hardware is as bigger than other girls' mother's hardware. Be taking pictures of this, but I heard these are supposed to be amazing, which they look legit. These things are huge compared to the whole. The other side. Oh! Oh! They move so free. All right. So I guess while we're here, I may as well put this back on because.
Interview.
Okay, so next step, we're going to go ahead and, oh, they used, oh, look at this, we got 2 straps. All right.
3.
Now we got 3 new straps. Ain't that something? Huh. Oh. Easy. All right. Whoa. Whoa, kickstand saves the day. All right, next step. All right, let's just see here. For giggles. Oh, we've got 0.1 hour. It's on kilometers. We'll work through that. It feels wider here, but narrower up top.
And it's a full gas tank.
No, they only give you a little bit. But we'll fill her up. We got some oil to put in one tank. Well, let's see. Make sure. Fresh air filter. Look at that. Huh? So here, let's pull the seat off. Oh no, battery's hooked up. So I think it goes forward. Ooh, well, this here. Hold on. Alright, so this is definitely compared to poor old 350 over there, which, so this is a 5-year difference. This is a 24, that's a 2019. The difference between these is pretty substantial. So it's got this cool system here, which no one really talks about, but there's no fuses here anymore, which is a pain on the old one. But this one, it has like this whole fuse box system here, which basically makes it so that if there's issues, you can just reset them here somehow. Don't know the full details on that. It's got that OBD2 thing, so I got the adapter
That's
somewhere
true.
over there.
We don't
for that.
know the whole thing about that.
That's right. We don't know the whole thing about that. So there's that. Not sure what that is, but yeah, we're going to put the seat back on. Oh, see, wait. Country of origin,
What do you mean by?
Austria. It means where it's made. Austria. Austria. Alright, so this, does it not have a oil level? Like, oil level. Oh, so basically if it drains out of here, the oil level's good. Okay, it's one of them situations. So basically they don't have a sight glass. You just gotta undo this screw, and if oil comes out, it means it's full. How about that? Alright,
What
so
is that part?
this is called the expansion chamber. So the
Listen, add that to your video.
the expansion chamber works in conjunction with the pulses of the engine and the exhaust to give it the most power or tune where the power hits on it. There's that. So XCW on this does not have a radiator fan, so if I might add one of those. But still, I mean, the coolest thing, this can be said with all these electronic power valve. So this has this other valve inside of it, which works with this to tune when the power hits with it. So it means when it's like, when it gets and it basically, instead of, old ones were controlled by the engine via springs and all sorts of mechanical ways, kind of like a mechanical watch. Whereas this is tied in with the brain box up top. And the brain box talks to that, this, and the fuel that gets pumped in, and it controls it all for optimal performance. It's KTM, so it's optimal performance all the time.
So is it good?
Yep, so, all right, so you know what we're gonna do now? Snug that up.
Decorate?
No. This is better than decoration. All right. We're gonna do the first best thing here. Hold on. Yeah, we're gonna wheel it out. Oh wait, hold on. All right. On the refrigerator,
Why?
because
Then add a KTM sticker right there.
oh no, we got some other stickers we could put there, but now let's add this. Right? Oh, look at that. Perfect. There we go. Now the refrigerator's for off-road use only. On an angle. Alright, so now we're on to the most important step of this process. Is we got gas. It'll tell us if I don't have oil, but I'm going to top that up, make sure we're good. But we're going to wheel this outside so it doesn't get all smoky in here. And we're going to start it up. Let's go. Oh, we were zoomed out, eh? Ain't that something? All right.
1, 2, 3.
Ready? That starts. It's pretty lackluster because it's so quiet. So we might be able to sneak some morning rides in on this thing, just based on how quiet it is. But there we have it. We're going to check the tire pressures. But that is the full unboxing and setup here of the 350. And, oh here, let's see. So here we can go kick our light on. And then that also gives us our, yeah, wait. Man, that's quiet. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead. All right, she gets a little lively, huh? That's pretty nice. All right, we're going to fill up with gas, fill it up with oil, and then we're going to go see how our lap times compare on this versus Mr. Old Tree Fitty over there. So we'll be back in a bit to send it. Until then, no.